Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsha. I hope you guys are doing good. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போறோம்னா again ஒரு toddlers preschoolers-கான daily practice worksheets தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So in the daily practice worksheet பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I have included some coloring activities, number identification activities, then some tracing worksheet, some shape activity. So உங்களோட kids between 2 to 4 age groupல இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா this worksheet ideas வந்துட்டு டெஃபினட்டாக உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள் அண்ட் வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ வாங்க worksheets பார்க்கலாம். Baby, first you have to trace all the standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting line, then curve and this hills. All these you have to trace it, okay? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, trace it. What line are you tracing, baby?
Triangle line.
Okay, baby, what letter is that?
A.
Okay, here you have to trace A and circle all the A's, okay?
Okay.
Do it, baby.
So close.
What letter is this?
A.
Okay, circle all the A. Okay, next worksheet you have to color the fruits using fingerprint, okay?
Okay.
First, what fruit is this?
Apple.
Apple, what color it is?
Red.
Okay, dip in red color. Okay, continue. What fruit is this, baby?
Banana.
Banana, what color it is?
Yellow.
Okay, now use yellow color. Now use yellow color, baby. Next is paper tearing activity, okay, baby? Now you have to tear this paper. Tear it.
Itchy.
Kilima.
Look my feet.
Tear it into small pieces. Small pieces, baby.
Small pieces.
Now stick all the pieces, baby. Next, what letter is this, baby?
B.
Okay, now you have to color the letter B. Take red color and color B, okay?
Okay.
Okay, small letter B. Okay, now you have to circle the object. Okay, now you have to circle the object which starts with letter B, okay? First picture, what is this?
Button.
Button starts with letter?
B.
Okay, circle it then.
Circle.
So, okay. Circle it.
Circle.
Okay. Now this picture, what picture is this?
Ball.
Ball starts with letter?
B.
Okay. Circle ball. Okay. What is this?
Mat.
Mat starts with letter?
Yeah.
M. We no need to circle it, okay?
Okay.
What is this?
Book.
Book starts with letter?
B.
Do we need to circle it?
Yes.
Circle it then. Okay. What is this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly starts with letter?
B.
Circle it. What is this?
Circle.
Circle starts with letter?
B.
C.
C.
No. Do you want to circle this?
No.
Okay, super. Okay, next activity, dot to dot. Okay, baby? You have to connect all the dots. You have to connect all the dots and draw the picture, image. Okay? Okay, draw it. Take your pencil and draw, connect all the dots, baby.
Okay.
What image is that, baby?
It's carrot.
Carrot. What color is carrot?
Brown.
Orange.
Orange.
Color it orange, baby. Color it orange. Okay. What letter is this, baby?
C.
C. Carrot starts with letter?
C.
Okay, super. Okay, baby. Next worksheet, you have to connect all the uppercase with lowercase, okay? Draw a line and connect all the uppercase with lowercase. Draw a line, baby. A, upper and lowercase. Okay, next one, you have to trace all the letters, okay? A, B, C, D. You have to trace all the letters. Trace it, baby. Now you have to trace C. Start tracing C. Okay, in this worksheet you can able to see like square, circle and rectangle, right? 3 shapes. And in this plate there are some shapes, okay? You have to find the correct shape and stick it, okay? Okay, start doing it, baby. I have applied some glue. Okay, start it. What shape is that? That's a
Square.
What shape is that, baby?
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay, next in this worksheet you have to trace all the shapes, okay, baby?
Okay.
Okay, take your pencil and trace it.
Russian. Russian. No, no. Hey.
Do it again.
Oven. Oven for leg.
Okay, now here you have to count all the circles and write how many it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Write 5 here. Sleeping line. Okay. Okay, in this worksheet you have to circle all the 1, okay? Look for 1 and circle it, baby. Okay, super. Now here you have to connect the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, like that. You have to draw a line and connect it. Start from 1. 1, 1 kapro. After 1, 2. Draw a line to 1. See 2. Okay, now after 2.
8,
1, 2.
3,
Now go to 3. Then
6,
4.
4,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5,
Then
6,
then
8,
6,
6,
5, 6,
8,
7.
7,
Where is 7?
either.
Is that 7?
No.
From 6 go to 7. From here go to 7. Here it is. Then
8,
then 9.
9,
9 after 9.
8,
8, 9.
10.
Super. Okay, next worksheet I have given 4 letters and respectively I have given some dot stickers which contains alphabets. Okay, you have to find the correct alphabet and stick here. Okay,
Okay.
do it. ஸோ ஹோப் இந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட் எல்லாமே இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாகவும் உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காகவும் இருந்திருக்கும், யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருந்திருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.